Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another mini review, and today we are going to be looking at the Google Pixel 8 Pro. As some of you might know, I have been a Pixel fan for a very long time. In fact, I have owned all Pixel phones, from the Pixel 1 all the way down to the Pixel 7 and now the Pixel 8 Pro. But this review is not about the Pixel 7 or its predecessors. This review is about this guy, the Pixel 8 Pro. Let's unpack this. As always, Google does a fine job with packaging and detail. In the box, you'll find the Pixel 8 Pro, the charger, the manual, and the USB-C adapter. No more power bricks. Who does that anyway? This phone is just beautiful. The display looks great. I love the curved edges. I love the design in its entirety. I like how the camera bump sits. Feels good to hold, feels good to touch. And I couldn't help to notice that this looks just like the Pixel 7 Pro. I mean, you can see the camera bumps and the side button placements, the curved edges. But that doesn't really matter to me anyway, as long as it's a good phone. Comes with a 6.7-inch display with peak brightness up to 2400 nits. It comes with a Google Tensor T3 chip for advanced AI processing. On the display, fingerprint and face unlock is built in. The rear camera shoots up to 50 megapixels and the front-facing camera shoots up to 10 megapixels. And you can record smooth 4K at 60 frames per second. Or slow motion at 240 frames per second. Currently, the Pixel 8 starts at $699, while this Pixel 8 Pro starts at $999. Once again, this phone looks great, feels good. I'm looking forward to testing this phone. I'm looking forward to using it every single day. It looks promising, and I believe that Google might have turned the page on this one. So that's it guys for this review, and I'll catch you on the next one.